Oh, son of a...
Wow. Okay, well, that's frustrating. If you remember the last video we made, we were putting the insulation on the garage door. And if you paid close attention, all there was lighting this garage was these two 4-foot LED lights. And those came from my garage back up north whenever I lived there. I had to dig them out of storage and bring them in here in order to light the garage. There is one light bulb in the garage door opener, and even that burned out now, so yeah, gotta change that. But you guys know that that is not enough light combined with these in order to achieve anything on any project. So today, what we're doing is we're gonna upgrade the lighting in here, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it on a budget. So first things first, we gotta make a little parts run. All right, we are back. Okay, so like you saw, I went to Walmart, got more of these Hyper Tough lights. Now, they have the 3000 lumen and the 5000 lumen. The 3000 were, I think, $16 and change. The 5000 lumen were $21 and change. I bought 6 of them, okay? So 6 of those. Now these have, so it's 5,000 lumens, but the color temperature it shows right here is 5,000 K. Now that's a nice crisp white light, so it'll be really nice for lighting up the garage. Okay, so then I went over to Home Depot. I got a couple of cords, another cord. You're gonna see what all these cords are for. A power strip, and also got this. This is pretty cool. What this is this was like a Christmas leftover, I think. But what it is it's a wireless indoor-outdoor remote control switch. So what I can do is take this box and put this box up by the garage door opener. And I'll just keep this wireless remote over there by the door. And then I can, this will be plugged in up there. The wireless remote will be over by the door. So I can just come in the garage, click this little button, and it'll turn on all the lights in here. No hardwiring anything or anything like that. Just it plugs in and you use it. It's pretty sweet. This thing is rated for 15 amps. It's rated for 15 amps, but we're not going to need near that. So here we got. We'll cover. Well, here, let's just do it. So this is rated for 15 amps, but let's see how much power these lights are going to work. How much power these lights are going to work? No. How much power these lights are going to use? Let's see how much power these lights are going to use. I said it correctly. So anyways, all right. So on the side of this box, it says wattage, 45 watts. Okay. So using Ohm's law, what we do is we take 45 watts, punch it into our fancy calculator, times 6 lights, times 6, that equals 270 watts, okay? Now by using Ohm's law, you take watts divided by volts, so we're using 120 volts, 2.25 amps is all of these are gonna pull all together. I could have gotten a way smaller one of these, or in the future, if I wanna add a bunch more lights to it, I can. I have a lot of room there. So this is rated for 15 and we're only pulling 2.25 amps with all of these lights. Yeah, that's a lot of room for growth. So that'll be pretty awesome. Another thing is I got these staples. These guys here. So it's just a little plastic clip. If it'll focus, come on, there you go. So see, it's a little plastic clip with a couple of small nails. So what we'll do is use these to hold the extension cords, these guys, to the ceiling. Because I'm gonna route them front to back, and then the lights are gonna be spread out side to side. So these should work pretty well. It's only two itty bitty little holes. Nobody's even gonna see them. They're white, they blend in. It's gonna be great. So, what do you say we get started? Okay, well, got all 6 of them hung up. Now, we got to get the wiring over there. Let's do that. just got done with the full install. I haven't even turned them on yet. What I did was I turned that power on, but none of them came on. So each one has its own pull cord. So I turned that back off, went and pulled all the cords, and now we are ready to turn it on for the very first time. I'm gonna go ahead and shut these two off so we can see what a difference it made. Oh my gosh, look at that. Wow. This one's flickering. Oh, what's with that? Man, I don't like that. I might return this one. Yeah, something's going on with that. I'll have to check that out. Man, I almost wonder if I should have bought 8 of these and hung them. Man, it's still a huge improvement though. Huge. Wow. That's freaking cool. So on, off, on, off. Dude, having a wireless remote is so freaking awesome. I can just leave it anywhere and turn the lights on and off. I really like that. Well, I guess that finishes up the install. I gotta figure out what's going on with this one here. I don't know if it shows up on camera, but it's flickering really fast. Like really, really fast. I might leave it on for a while and see. Well, no. But anyways, man, that's freaking sweet. Wow. So impressed. Alright guys, well, took down that light that was flickering real bad, the one right there in the middle, and took it back to Walmart and exchanged it out. So, now, I need to unbox this one and hook it up. I hope it doesn't flicker like the last one. That really sucked. These things being held in by those pesky J-hooks in the ceiling, sometimes, man, those can really hurt your fingers if you're not careful.
My fingers hurt.
What's that?
My fingers hurt.
It'd be awesome if there was an easier way to put these
Now
in.
your back's gonna hurt because you just pulled landscaping
What?
duty. Anybody else's fingers hurt? I didn't think so.
Hey man, are you tired of odd fasteners? You don't have the proper tool to fit it, so you're hurting your fingers? Have I got just the tool for you? Everybody in America's gonna need one of these. Wow, that sure made my life a lot easier. Thanks, Piranha Grip. Get yours right now, $19.95 plus shipping and handling sent right to your door, or you can get off the couch and go to any large retailer in America. They got them for you. Go get it. You're gonna need it. All right. Hopefully you don't gotta take this down again. This one, I tested it over there. It lit up just fine. So, hopefully, everything works out. Let's go ahead and plug it in. Get some light. Pull the cord. Ta-da! Look at that! No flickering. Something was was wrong with that other one. I don't know what it was, but yeah, it was having a rough time. So now all I gotta do is put the cord back up like I had it, and we're good to go. All right, well, there we are. We finally have lighting. These are the 3 huge upgrades that I wanted to make before I started working on our project car. This is our first project car, but before that I wanted to get insulation, lighting, and air conditioning in here. It is so humid outside right now here. It has been raining now the past, I would say 3 days. So the humidity levels outside are really high. But the good thing is in here it feels rather nice. I got the air conditioner set to like 72, 73. And as you know, air conditioning sucks all the humidity out of here, but it's kind of weird. They must have just finished this garage before I moved in or something, because when you guys saw me on the ladder over here, the reason I was looking at that is because there's a fresh crack there, and over here. Like fresh cracks in the drywall on the ceiling, which very strange, but I'm guessing they must have just finished this before I moved in, and the humidity must have got to it or something happened. But anyways, it's not that bad or anything, so that's why I climbed up in the attic after ripping the pull cord off the little ladder thing to get up there. I wanted to see if the insulation was wet or something. Sometimes when you get a roof leak, it'll wet down the insulation, make it heavy, and then it'll saturate, the drywall on the ceiling and stuff like that. But now everything's dry. I don't know. I guess it's humidity inside that did it. I don't really know, to be honest with you. But up there, everything's fine. Put a new string back in the little ladder thing. Put a new rope in that. Put that back, got the lighting done, so we're good to go, guys. Everything's fine. I hope you guys are ready. This is going to be exciting.